Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into simple, yet powerful design tricks to make your home look more expensive without draining your wallet. First, focus on decluttering clean. Open spaces naturally feel luxurious. Next, upgrade your lighting. Warm, layered lights and statement fixtures add elegance. Incorporate neutral tones with rich textures like velvet, linen, or leather for depth. Add large mirrors to reflect light and create a sense of grandeur. Art pieces, even affordable prints in oversized frames, give your walls a gallery vibe. Don't forget greenery. Plants bring life and freshness. Finally, pay attention to small details. Sleek hardware, matching curtains to wall color, and plush rugs can transform any room. With just a few thoughtful changes, your home can feel stylish and expensive. No big budget required. Try these tips today and watch your space glow with sophistication.